Hello, this is Old Gamer 107 and I'm bringing you another Fallout 4 build. Here we are at Croup Manor. I've done a lot of restoration work and making this sort of a nice mansion type complex. So I hope that you'll enjoy it, and we're going to get right to it. You can see on the map where we are. I'll just scroll out a little bit. Way over on the east coast in the Commonwealth. So let's get right to it. I thought you might like to take a look at Hancock. He's got a new look. We've, for this settlement, used this white concrete type walls, and it circles the whole complex. We'll just take a quick run around. You can see a lot of nice trees. We've got lots of lighting. We're using wind power. We've got a water pumps, a recruitment station. Here we've got some gardening area. The cows are tromping all over it.
Look at you. 2 centuries, and your skin's as smooth as a baby.
We'll start off by taking a quick look at, there's a little bit of a guardhouse here. With a nice fancy gate.
Out here, you gotta take things one day at a time.
They've got some weapons on the walls. A little bunkhouse. Probably need to add a few amenities in there. Here, of course, we had to build up a place for our turrets. Give us some good security to cover the whole complex. Here we'll go up and you can get a good little view of the area. You see, of course, it's right on the coast. Lovely view up here. There's the main house. Here we have a bunkhouse for the settlers to hang out in.
Yes? Crop's been growing pretty good lately.
Here we got some personal effects there. Why is there always handcuffs in my videos? You can see all the walls are different and on the different floors. Here, of course, we need a bathroom. Gotta have a plunger. You know, with the diet of these settlers, plungers are probably kind of crucial. Toothbrush, toothpaste. Got some paintings on the walls.
Got work to do. Can't
So let's head on over to the main house. Like I say, I've redone the porch here, the railings, redone the walls. Really got nice rose bushes out here in the front.
If you ain't been up to see Grey Garden, you should go. Whole place is run by robots.
Here's the kitchen. Down here we have the, this is the entrance to the basement, but It's the washroom. Miscellaneous tools and paint. Let's head upstairs. You can see the wallpaper. I'm not sure we went in the living room. Here, let's go in there. All right, now we'll head upstairs. Small little bedroom there. I had to put in some beds in different places. This is the master bedroom. Still need to add some personal effects and things. The house has all these particular lighting right here. Those I kind of like, particularly for this particular build. There is the third floor. See, this has paneling up here. Got a pool table. An office. Oh, safe. Got money laying out. Of course, that money's pretty useless here. A lot of good ammo.
Lost track of how many blizzards.
Great little porch up here. Here you get another view of the walls and the water.
Yeah.
Well, this is Old Gamer 107. This is a quick trip through the Croup Manor restoration. We hope you enjoyed that. Keep subscribing to my channel if you haven't before. It's been a little while since I put a video out there, but it's due to some traveling and other things. So I've got some lots of things in the works. Working on a number of settlements in Far Harbor, all around the Commonwealth, so I hope to have more videos coming up. So hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching.